Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to do a file uploading by using Selenium with Python. Okay, in my previous videos you saw about for link test and weights and text box and everything, right? And even we can able to say there are some set of things like a file upload concepts. Like whenever you use a file upload, we can able to use some robot class methods or keyboard keys, or else we can able to use auto-IT to upload a file. See example, I can able to say you click this one and it will open a window pop-up, correct? You need to choose some file and you need to store the value, correct? Sorry. Whenever you want to use this kind of file upload concepts, it is not that much of easy to upload it, right? Because we need to use a window means Selenium by default it is not supporting to upload this kind of files, correct? And that for purpose we are going to using for auto IT to uploading for Windows related, and there is a third party that we need to use it, the jar file we need to add into the project. Then we need to use the methods to find this key value and this button value, and we need to upload the file into the browser, correct? And or else, if you don't want to use a robot like auto IT, then we have another option. There is a robotic class keywords that we can able to use and we can able to invoke it. But in case if that also not work, we can able to go ahead for something different format and we can able to do it. But other than that, how we can able to use Selenium is there is a possibility in case in your application. First, you can able to find this one, inspect this particular choose button. If you have this particular file is like like this file upload type as a file. If it is a type indicates the file, then you can able to click this button by using the ID or XPath or something name or any kind of web locators. Use that one and you can able to find the path if the file type it is there. In case if you click this one and find the inspecting, then if you see the type as a file, then you can able to click it and go ahead and use by Selenium driver dot find elements, and you can able to use the locator. Then you can able to send the send key to the file location, exact file location you need to pass it. Once you pass, then there is a button it is presented. That button also you can able to choose it. Okay, and based upon that, if you click that one, by default it will allow you to upload a file. Okay, how by using this one we can able to do it here means we can able to take for ID, and even we can able to use sometimes like to 5 seconds. Okay, then we can able to use for driver dot find element a by dot id, and I am going to pass this one and I need to assign the send location, which location my driver is presented, my file it is presented. And in my project location there is a JPG format I mentioned. I'll go for my location. First I'll go PyCharm. PyCharm projects, and you can able to Selenium demos. Inside that there is a Vikram. This location is presented. Then I'm going to copying this file and I'm going to passing here, and I'm going to use double forward slash. I forgot to take this name. Double forward, I'm going to take this file. Okay, once I loaded this file, okay, even you can able to see if I'm going to load any kind of file, Now imagine this file and I'm going to upload. Then by default it will gives there is a content is upload. File upload is success. Right? If you take this XPath first and take the value and store somewhere. Okay. Now I store the value and again I'm going to load and take the button locator. This locator value that is type as file submit. Okay. Now driver dot find element and I need to use a by dot ide and I comma space value of submit dot a click button. Okay, before that we need to give some timestamp to see the whether it is able to select our file or not. Okay, now I'm able to, and I need to verify which I stored my value. This one I need to check whether it is loaded or not. Again I'm giving 5 seconds of time, then I'm going to use a if condition driver dot there is a information we can able to find by using page source. Okay, page source dot find what content I'm going to verify this content. I can able to specify the content. Okay, like in Python it is not required for open process because it is not required to be. We need to make it for semicolon the last. Now I can able to print verified value and else condition. I'm going to check file upload is not done. Okay, this is my validation. I need to do it after uploading. Okay, now I'm going, if I'm going to run means if that particular file it is presented in that particular location. Okay, in this particular location is presented, it will load and it will upload, then it will find this particular information by using page source. Page source is nothing but if we click this one page view page source, it will go inside that. Here you can able to find what are the things, and I can by default it will take care about that Python scripting it to convert in the particular location, and on that particular location page source place it will take for finding this particular object. Okay, the value I can able to find it, and if you oh sorry, it's opening for old URL, can cancel it. Then I can able to use for file upload.py. If I click now, it should verify. It will open the browser in that particular location URL, which I'm going to show you. This is basically a demo application. In case in your place, if you find that particular button file type, then you can able to use it. Now you can able to see clicked and is also it is added for the file here. Now file upload also presented. Now you will see here whether it is verified value. Okay, it is verified the properly, then it is given that information. Even it went inside of that and it page source place, it will finds that file upload content, then it is giving for verification is done. Okay, this is all about for file uploading by using Selenium Python. I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues, and also comment on this video. Thank you.